Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will explore conditions in Go, how they differ from any other programming languages or are they similar, and how to write the program for them. So let's get started. So first we have if statement. It is basically similar to any other programming language where we put condition after if statement and then we write the code that we want to execute based on that. So here if you see we have condition if 20 is greater than 18 then we are printing 20 is greater than 18, and if 15 is greater than 18 then we are printing 15 is greater than 18. As the second statement is false, so the execution will not happen for the second print line. So we can see that only one print is there in the console. Next thing is if else statement. If else statement is basically if the if statement fails, then else statement will be executed automatically. For this example, if the time is less than 18, then it is a day, so we are printing good day. But in case if it is more than 18, basically 6 p.m., so it is good evening. And in this case, we have time 20, so what we will be printing on console is good evening. Next we have else if statement. So it is basically like a ladder kind of structure where if we have multiple conditions like condition 1, condition 2, and in last we can write else statement where it is a default statement. So here we have similar code. We have time which is 10 o'clock at the night. So if we have time less than 10 o'clock in the morning, then it is good morning, which is not. If we have time less than 8 o'clock in the evening, then we have good day, but it is not evening as we have 10 o'clock in the night. So we have good evening at else point. Then we have nested if code to be executed in condition 1 if true, and if the condition is true, then in that we have another condition that needs to be true in order for code to execute for some execution or for some logical thinking. So in this case, we have num2, and if num is greater than or equal to 10, which in this case is true, so we are printing the number is more than 10, and in else we have number is less than 10, but as our condition is true, so we will go in the first if block here. And in first if block, we have one more if block stating if number is greater than 15, then print the number is also more than 15. So we will have two print line here where we will be printing num is more than 10 and num is more than 15. In next video, we will be looking at the switch statements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Go tutorial. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.